So when I get into the 2014 Dodge Avenger and I turn it on, all the cluster lights come on, including the airbag light, but all of them turn off except for the airbag light. And according to the manual, it says when the airbag warning light comes on, get it to an authorized service center immediately. So after Googling it, I found out like 40% of the time it's because of this. This is the driver's side seat. If you open up the zipper on the bottom and kind of peel it back, you'll see this wire right here. And that was originally strapped a bungee cord right here, and it ran up here into the head seat. So like if you remove this, it would not yank that out or whatever. But what happens over time is that bungee cord is actually putting pressure on this wire right here, pulling on it, and it just breaks. So I had to splice that out, reconnect it together, take out the bad part that broke, splice it back together, put electric tape on there. I just removed the bungee cord because it's overkill. I'm never gonna try to remove the top of this, so I'm not gonna have the issue of that getting yanked on. So and it kind of fixed the whole problem. So now when I turn on my car, all the lights come on, including that one, but it goes off and it stays off. So no more stuck on light. It's just because of that bad design with the airbag system, wire back there with the bungee cord and all that will go in. Yeah, Dodge is funny. I could go on and on about Dodge. They do some really funny things. Like, for instance, I had to remove a tire and the wheel well just to get to replace my battery, and to replace my tag light on the back of my car, I had to remove half the dang bumper. This is stupid, and they do it just so you have to go to an authorized service agent.